Hello Samsung users and photography lovers. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Samsung Object Eraser feature to remove unwanted objects from your photos instantly without installing any third-party apps. It's quick, simple, and powered by AI. Step 1. Open the Gallery app on your Samsung device and select the photo you want to edit. Step 2. Tap the Edit T Sumagan pencil icon at the bottom of the screen to enter editing mode. Step 3. Locate Object Eraser. On One UI 7 or later, tap the AI or Photo Assist icon. On older versions, tap the three-dot menu and choose Object Eraser. Step 4. Circle or highlight the unwanted object. The AI will automatically detect and suggest removal. Step 5. Tap Erase, then wait a few seconds while the system processes the image. Step 6. Tap Save or Save as Copy to keep your original photo safe. Tip: for best results, use high-resolution images with clear backgrounds and avoid heavily blurred photos. You can also zoom in while selecting objects for more precise editing. This feature works best on newer Samsung Galaxy devices with One UI updates, so make sure your software is up to date for smooth performance and better eye accuracy. If this guide helped you, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Samsung tips. Thanks for watching. Enjoy creating cleaner photos with Samsung AI tools today, always now.